Namaste, welcome back for day 2. In this class, we have an energizing flow to prepare us for the rest of our day. We'll be moving through some Sun Salutation C and working on some heart openers. When you're ready, I will meet you in downward facing dog. We're not going to waste any time because we got 10 minutes. Let's get it. Fingers spread wide on the hands. Walk the dog out, bend one knee and then the other. Getting cozy here, maybe shaking out the head. Just allowing yourself to explore this downward facing dog, maybe the first one of the day. Feeling what it's like to be upside down with the head. And placing the awareness on the breath. As you inhale, breathe in through the nose, fill up the belly. And as you exhale, sink deeper into the posture. Exhale through the nose. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale to the tippy toes. Bend the knees. Walk the feet up towards the hands. Inhale, long spine, halfway lift, flat back. Breathe in. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold of the legs, chin into the chest. Inhale, moving mindfully and slowly all the way up. Breathing in, pressing the hips forward, gentle mini back bend. Exhale, hands to prayer center. Inhale, arms reach up and back, gentle mini back bend, just opening up the body. Exhale, forward folds over the legs, drop the head, chin into the chest. Inhale, long spine halfway. Exhale, drop the right foot back, coming into a low lunge, drop the right knee down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to plank pose, drop the knees down, hips high, lower chest, chin to the mat. Slowly, elbows in tight. Inhale, up through cobra, knees drop, arms by the sides, straighten through the elbows, look up. Exhale, chin to chest, back to downward facing dog. Good. Finding a moving meditation with the Sun Salutation C. Left foot in between the hands. Drop the right knee down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, right knee comes to meet left. Forward fold over the legs. Inhale, root to rise. Arms reach up and back. Exhale, hands to prayer center. Inhale, up and back. Maybe closing your eyes on the exhale, forward fold of the legs. Inhale, long spine halfway. Exhale, left foot steps back. Low lunge, drop the knee. Inhale, look up. Arms by the side. Exhale, release. Plank pose. Drop the knees, hips high, lower chest, chin. Inhale, cobra, straighten through the arms. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot in between the hands. Drop the left knee down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, left foot steps to meet right, forward fold over the legs, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms reach up and back. Press the hips forward. Maybe finding a deeper back bend here. Exhale, hands to prayer center, Anjali Mudra. Inhale, arms reach up and back. Exhale, surrendered, forward fold of the legs. Inhale, halfway, flat back. Exhale, right foot steps back, low lunge. Drop the knee. Inhale as you look up, maybe coming up a bit higher this time. Exhale, back to plank. You can do knees down or up as you lower halfway. Inhale through cobra or up dog. Knees up or down. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot in between the hands. Drop the right knee down. Inhale, look up. Come up a bit higher. Maybe the hands float. Chest opens. Exhale, right comes to meet left. Forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms reach up and back. Press the hips forward. Back bend. Exhale, hands to Anjali Mudra. Inhale, arms reach up and back. Press the hips forward. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale halfway, flat back, long spine. Exhale, left foot steps back. Inhale, open up, right, left knee into the mat. Fingers draw away, open the chest. Exhale, chaturanga. High to low, up to down. Inhale, right foot steps in between the hands, left knee lowers. Inhale, open up the heart. Exhale, left steps to meet right, forward fold. Inhale, halfway, moving meditation. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms reach up and back, press the hips forward, back bend. Exhale, Anjali Mudra, hands to prayer center. Inhale, arms reach up and back. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, long spine, halfway lift. And a little different this time. Right foot steps back for low lunge, but we interlace the fingers. Pointer fingers are free. Kali Mudra through the hands. Fingers reach up and back as we open through the heart, open through the armpits. Option to shake left to right. Moving into the thoracic spine. Breath is fluid. Good, and exhale, release down, chaturanga. Inhale, right foot in between the hands. Kali Mudra through the hands. Arms reach up and back, kapayasana. Again, option to shake left to right. And exhale, release. Left foot steps to meet right. Forward fold over the legs. Spread the feet, hips distance. Halfway lift. Inhale. And exhale, drop the head down. Interlace the fingers at the low back shoulder. Rinse as the hands come out over the head. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. Release the hands. Inhale, root to rise. Arms come up overhead. Fingers spread wide as you shift the weight forward onto the toes. Back bend. Exhale, hands come by the side, Tadasana. Inhale, arms reach up and back again. Nice big wide, take up space. And exhale through Tadasana. Last one. Inhale, fingers spread wide. Big old tree. Exhale, forward fold, surrender. Drop the hands to the ankles. Inhale, long spine, halfway lift. Exhale, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg lifts high. Three-legged dog. Exhale, left foot in between the hands. Kapayasana. Kali Mudra through the hands. Arms reach up and back. Reaching up, up and back. Trying to breathe all the way in through the heart. And exhale, release down. Downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Three-legged dog. Exhale, right foot steps in between the hands. Kapayasana. Kali Mudra through the hands. Arms reach up and back. Left knee into the mat. Trying to reach the hands to touch the back wall. Looking up and back. Trying to see the fingertips. And exhale, release. Chaturanga Dandasana. The last one of this practice. Make it a good one. Make it a strong one. And exhale, downward facing dog. Dropping down to the hands and the knees. Flipping the wrists so that the backs of the hands come into the mat. And start to rock forward and back, gently breathing into the top of the wrist. Good, and release back into our kneeling seating position. Bringing the hands to prayer center and the eyes coming to a close. Allowing ourselves this final moment to connect with our breath as we take our practice with us off of the mat and into the world. Inhaling our thumb knuckles up to our third eye, forehead center. May we honor all that we meet and all that we are. As we exhale, we bow our heads as we say, Namaste. It was so good to see you back for day 2. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3, where we'll be going through a deep stretch. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.